What's going on, Kipsters? Back at it again with another math video. Yes, we're back at it again today with another math video. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying by powers of 10. So if you were with me on Friday, we talked about multiplying by powers of 10, but that involved decimals. So today we're going to use the same exact rule, but when multiplying whole numbers. Okay? So let's recap of our knowledge and our learning from Friday, right? Looking at this decimal. We've got 0.06 or 600ths. Got to put that T in that H. I guess how you do it. The TH, put the TH. So we got 600ths times 100. When we're multiplying by powers of 10, we have to ask ourselves, are we multiplying or dividing? Here we see that big old X in the middle, so X obviously means multiplication. We got to count the zeros in our power of 10. Our power of 10 here is 100. How many zeros does our power of 10 have? 2. If you said 2, you was right. That's right. Our power of 10 has 2 zeros. So, now I know I'm multiplying. And I also know that my power of 10 has 2 zeros. So when I'm multiplying, the rule says when I multiply, I have to move my decimal to the right, however many zeros I have. So you guys said we have 2 zeros. You move that decimal, 1 and a 2. So now my decimal is behind the 6. So if my answer is 6 with the decimal right behind it, I'm going to put a 0 right there to hold my place. And as we know, 6.0 is also equal to 6. So 600ths times 100 is equal to 6. And that's that right there. So that's a recap of last week. Now what I want us to do, let's take a look at when we're multiplying a whole number, in this case it's 30, times a power of 10. If my power of 10 has 3 zeros, what number is this? One followed by 3 zeros is 1,000. Is 1,000. What was it again? That's right, 1,000. Yup. You guys are so smart. So we got 1 followed by 3 zeros. That's 1,000. So 30 times 1,000. I'm going to use the same exact rule as I did in the first problem. I'm going to count how many zeros I have. 1, 2, 3. In this case, my decimal is to the right of the 0. That's a whole number. So we've got 30 with the decimal. I'm going to move my decimal to the right. Y'all know that song, right? If I move it to the right 3 times, because there's 3 zeros, right? So I'm going to move this to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. When I was in school, we called these like egg cartons. Or you know, like when you go to the grocery store and you buy eggs, like these are cartons. Those are the we're gonna put our zeros in the egg cartons, or put your eggs in the egg cartons. And just know this is where our decimal is. So if we have 3,0,0,0,0 decimal, what is our answer? 3,0,0,0,0 decimal. Let's see. Every 3 zeros we put a comma, right? So what number is 30,000 decimal? And for keepsakes, I'm going to put a 0. What number is this? 30,000. You're absolutely right. 30,000. And what I want you to notice, we started with 30, multiplied by 1,000, knowing 30 times 1 is 30, and then I just bring down my 1,000. Does that make sense? 30 times 1 is 30. Then I bring down my 1,000, my 3 zeros. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.